Good afternoon, everyone. Today we are going to start a new poem, that is the Ballad of Ram. So, what is a ballad? Ballad is a long narrative poem, usually having a good rhyme scheme, rhyming words in it, and it is describing about a person or anything. Okay? And ballads are usually sung in a very humorous or giving messages. So, this one is a humorous poem, right? And Ram is a name of a dog. So this is a poem about a dog. So let's start. Here are some riddles for you to solve. Why is a tree like a big dog? What did one flea say to another? How does a dog stop a video? So these are the riddles for you. Now we'll just start the poem stanza wise. A dog wandered in a garden one day. A friendly old mutt didn't look like a stray. We never discovered from where he had come, but we brushed him and fed him, and the kids called him Ram. So, how did they met the dog? So, the narrator is saying that one day a dog was wandering in his garden. Wandering means just moving here and there aimlessly, having no motive to go. Okay, and a friendly old mutt didn't look like a stray. Now, what is a mutt? Mutt here means a dog. So, they saw a friendly old dog which doesn't look like a stray. Stray means the dogs that roam about, those who don't have the owner, are the stray dogs, those who are found on the streets. Alright. And we never discovered from where he had come. And the poet or the narrator is saying that nobody know who is the master of the dog or from where has the dog come. So they just took the dog and they kept him with them, and they brushed him and fed him, gave him some food and everything. And the kids in the house used to call the dog Ram. Now, as family members, even dogs must work hard. So we put Ram on duty next door in our yard. Bright-eyed and watchful by night and by day, but not much of a guard dog, I'm sorry to say. Next, what happened? So as everyone in a family work for their earning, like your father goes for a work or somebody's mother may be working outside, but our mothers work at home, and you all also go to study and everything. So the narrator is saying that since every family member should work hard, so they have also, since now this Ram has also become the part of their family, so they thought to put him as a guard dog. So they put him on the duty on the door, on the next door, means on the front door of the house, of the yard. Yard means the long big garden in their home. So they put him on the duty there, that he will guard the house. Bright-eyed and watchful by night and by day. So he was having a bright shiny eyes and he used to watch day and night. But not much of a guard dog, I'm sorry to say. But what is the narrator saying? He is saying that, he is having a bright eye. He used to watch day and night. But he was not a kind of a guard dog, means he doesn't know how to do his duty. So what is the duty of a guard dog? That whenever any unknown person comes, he or she, what does he see? Whenever any unknown person come to the house, so what does the dogs do usually? They just bark. They makes the masters of the house aware that some danger is there. But he doesn't do all these things. So therefore he doesn't belong to the category of a guard dog. Now, he barked at the cats and he barked at a Todd. He barked at the cattle outside on the road. He barked at the horses, so where did he fall? You see, Ram liked people and he just wagged his tail. So now, it is not like that he's not barking on anyone. He is barking, but he's barking on animals only, like cats, like the cattle, the cows and the buffaloes, or the Todd. Todd means the baby frog. Also he used to bark on the horses. But on whom he doesn't bark? He doesn't bark on the human beings. Whenever anybody would come Okay, so what does he used to do? He used to wag his tail. When does a dog wag his tail? When he finds somebody very friendly. So that time he started wagging his tail. So he doesn't feel the danger of human beings, but he used to bark on all the animals. He liked the yard labor on amiable bunch. They fed our dog tidbits and scraps from their lunch. Rum wolfed it all down, but to our dismay, he seemed to get fatter with each passing day. So, he liked the yard labor, means he used to love his job. It is not like he is not doing his job. He was doing his job because he was an amiable bunch. Amiable means a friendly person who can make friends very easily, because he makes friends whenever any human being or any man, any woman crossing through the yard, and he just used to wag his tail. So what happens? That people, those who are passing by, what do they find? That the dog is very friendly to them. So what does they do? They used to feed tidbits, means small fishes and whatever small food items do they have, like biscuits and all. So the people passing from there, whenever they see this dog wagging his tail looking at them, so they used to feed him, used to provide him food, and Rum would wolf it all around. And what does he used to do? He used to take those things, eat, and he was roam around. But to our dismay means when we are surprised or when we are not when we are disappointed. So but because he's eating too much, so what was happening? He was getting fatter and fatter every day. As the days were passing, he was getting fatter and fatter. Then next what happened? Then one night when Rum was laid at his ease, a burglar crept in as quiet as you please. He saw no alarms, had no siren howling, no guard dog for sure, that be barking and growling. So all these things were happening. Then one night what happened? A burglar came. Burglar means somebody who comes to rob your house. We have seen it in the Retrieved Reformation that Jimmy Valentine was a burglar. So burglar means that somebody who comes to rob your house. So as usual, one night, whatever was the routine of the Ram, he was lying down very peacefully, very easily on the yard. And now this burglar crept in. Crept in means where do we crept in? We crept in where we come very quietly in a very hiding manner. Okay, whenever you are late in the class, you try to hide and then you try to creep in. So that is when you are hiding from somebody and you are going into that place, is creeping in. Now, so he just burglar. How does this robber or a thief come to a house? They don't make noise like, look, a thief has come, give your belongings. It doesn't happen that way. So thief come very quietly. So that way that thief came as quiet as he can, and then he saw that there are no alarms, no siren, because somebody when crosses our fences or anything, there are alarms put, right? कि अगर कोई आएगा अंदर without a permission, alarm will blow on. But there was nothing like that. And he also saw no dog over there. who अगर कोई dog होता, if there would have been any guard dog over there, so it would have howled or it would have growled or barked, okay, on the unknown person. So this was the first part of your poem. Next video I'll share the next part of the poem. I hope you have understood. Kindly read the poem.